Today I am going to check your classwork and pair notes books. So if randomly I will check, not all the participants, I will check 10 students books. If you have done, I will move on to the next new lesson. Okay. So please don't move here and there and keep all your things ready. Every class I am instructing you always you keep your pair notes, classwork book and the textbook, pen, pencil, etc. ready with you. And when I ask you, you are moving here and there. Sai Pallavi is moving. I don't know why you are moving. If it is your regular school class, will you move like this? Will you go to school without books? You will never do it, right? Because teacher will punish you. But now you people are moving here and there for books, pen, pencil, etc. Okay. So first let me recap what we have learned in the lesson. What do animals eat? Okay. Once I'll repeat the lesson, then I will check your pair notes. So in this lesson, we have learned about different types of animals and different types of food habits, what they eat, how they gather the food, okay, what type of body structures do they have. Based on the food habits, animals are divided into 3 groups. They are like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, etc. Depending on the food material, their body is divided also we have learned. Sushrit, yes or no? Yes. I said that suppose if we compare bird and a cow, so the taking food is different because the bird body part, I mean mouth part is different. Sai Pallavi, please Sai Pallavi. Sit in your place. And Anitara, you are not there in the class only. Why Anitara? Who is Anitara? Where are you, Amma? Your fan is listening the lesson. Your fan is laughing at me. Still Anitara not came to class. Anitara. Okay, నీ fan answer చెప్తుందా? Oh my God. Okay, fine. See children, if we compare the cow and the bird, body parts are different. That's why the eating food also is different depending upon the body parts and also the capacity of the stomach accepting also. Okay. Then now I wanted to take the students' response, children from you. Now be Kirtana. Be Kirtana, unmute yourself. Good afternoon, Kirtana.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is rumination, Nana? What is rumination? Where are you? On your video first. On your video, Nana. Hello, on your video and talk to me. Kirtana, on your video. Don't waste my time, please. Kirtana, on your video and talk to me. What is rumination? I know you don't know. Still, I will ask Vishwas. L. Vishwas, unmute yourself. B. L. Vishwas. B. L. Vishwas still not unmuted. Good afternoon. The TV is answering me. There is a disturbance in your. Come on, tell me what is rumination, Nana? I can't hear you. What is rumination? Click on your mic and talk to me. What happened, Nana? You don't know the answer, then you straight away say that I don't know, ma'am. So that I can give a chance to others, no? Abhit, unmute yourself. What happened, Abhit?
Teacher,
Abhit, come on, tell me what is the question that I asked?
I don't know, ma'am.
Are you there in the class?
Yesterday only I will listen, teacher.
Then, okay, what is the question? What is the question you don't know?
I don't know.
Are you there in the class?
Yesterday only I will there in class, teacher.
Okay, what is rumination? This is very, very, very important question. Compulsory, this question will come for 4 marks. Tell me what is rumination? So many times I explained this. I mean, for 5 to 6 times I have repeated this question. It will come in the exam. Come on, tell me, you know or you don't know? Say yes, no, boy. Anyone responds, you speak out. There's a question mark in the face, Amma. Tell me that you don't know about rumination or not. Show me your textbook. Show me your textbook. Okay. Show me your classwork. Classwork and pair notes. Show me your classwork and pair notes. Make it fast. First click on mic, Amma. Abhit. Unmute chesko first. Show me your pair notes, Nana. Hey, don't do time pass. Your book is there with you or not? First you can unmute yourself, Amma. Show me a notebook, Nana. Show me your classwork and pair notes. Have you started your classwork and pair notes? No, we haven't started. Fine, very good. Thank you, Nana. This Oppo F3. Oppo F3, who is that? Oppo F3, show me your notes. Nice name. New name also. Oppo F3, very new name. Lenovo Tab E8. Children, this class I will spend for checking your notebooks only, Nana. Akshaya, unmute yourself. Akshaya, unmute. Akshaya, unmute. Don't
Ma'am.
waste. I know you can hear me. Akshaya, unmute yourself and talk to me. And other children, please on your video. Akshaya, Durgendra, on your video. Akshaya, Rajput, on your video. Akshaya, on your video.
Teacher, I'm already on my video, teacher.
You are on your video. Okay, come on, show me your notes.
Teacher, I'm in my village, teacher. I'm taking my screenshot, teacher.
No, wait. Once again, I'm not clear your voice. Abid,
Teacher, I'm in my village, ma'am. I'm
you
not
are
in
in
my
village. You are in your village.
I'm in Hanbakunda.
Okay. So
my
what
name
happened?
is School.
So what happened, Nana?
I don't know, నేను నోట్బుక్ తెచ్చుకోలేదు టీచర్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను టీచర్ అంటే అక్కడ పేరు నోట్స్ ఉంది టీచర్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి అక్కడ రాసుకుంటున్నాను టీచర్ రేపు టుమారో ఐ విల్ గో టీచర్
When are you going to show me?
టీచర్
When are you going to show me? When you will finish your pair notes, classwork, and when you will show me?
ఓకే
When you will show me? Give me the time. Can I check day after tomorrow?
యా
Day after tomorrow, you have to complete and show me.
ఓకే
Okay. Now, Sarita Raju. Just now, you can't unmute. Excuse me. Sarita Raju, you can't unmute. Just to show me, lift your notebook and show to me. The pair notes chupichu. So remaining all the participants get ready. So I will call one by one. You have to show me. Sarita Raju. No, show me properly, Nana. Is it classwork or pair notes? Pair notes, okay. Show me. Bring close. Which lesson is that? Children, you have to complete up to lesson 4 all the question answers. Completed all 4 lessons? Okay, very good. Show me your classwork. Okay, handwriting little bit write neatly, Amma. Handwriting write neatly. Okay. Joha, Z-O-H-A, Joha. Show me your notes. Joha, show your notebook. Classwork and pair notes. No, you can't unmute. I can't listen you. Just only showing books. Show your notebook, that's all. Book is not there with you. Show your thumb. At least have you started or not? Show me your thumb. Not yet started. Show me your textbook now. How are you listening? Now, where are you, ma? Is there any book with you? Wait, Joha, I'll unmute you. Wait, I'll give a chance to unmute. Yeah, now you can click on your mic, Joha.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Show me your classwork and pair notes.
Teacher, I was missing my textbook and classwork book, teacher.
Wow, missing.
My father did not take in my textbook, teacher.
First say that, did you purchase books?
No, teacher.
Then, notebooks also?
Yes, my teacher and books, teacher.
So where are you writing all subjects?
Teacher, only science book is I did not take in, teacher.
Only science not there. Remaining all books are there with you.
Yes, teacher.
Then what about science?
Teacher, my father is saying to take. I will take him from tomorrow, teacher.
At least you don't have any old notebooks, huh?
No, teacher.
So Joha, finally you haven't started anything. Classwork, pair notes you haven't started.
Yes, teacher.
Very good girl. Very good. Then can you answer me at least what is rumination? We have discussed in the previous. Huh?
Did not attend in previous class, teacher.
Not only previous class. That before class also I explained about this question.
I don't know, teacher.
Why?
मारते आप साढ़े
Textbook
Only children are doing time pass, right?
नौ को जाओ बोल को कब बोली तू एक बार बोली तू दो बार बोली तू बोलने नहीं आता
Joha,
ही
talk
देखो
to
होती
me.
है वो मेरे थी
Joha, talk to
Yes,
me.
teacher.
Then what is wrong with you, Nana? I already explained what is rumination. How can you say that I don't know? Don't waste your time. Don't do time pass. Anyway, online classes. No teacher will punish us. If you do like this, whose life will spoil? That is your life only will spoil. Okay, na?
Yes,
No,
teacher.
you will miss all the classes.
Yes, sir.
Johanna, what you will do? Tell me.
Teacher, I'll take him from tomorrow, teacher. I'll
I
take
have
tomorrow,
entered
teacher.
all the names that who not shown the notebook. Again, I will call those children names only.
Yes, teacher.
It is very bad to say that I don't have textbook note. At least rough notebook is there with you. Show me. Show me a rough notebook. Yeah, you are moving from your place. Joha, stop. Stop, Joha. Very good. So still no need to check. Children, you are showing very bad impression. Now, Adiba. Adiba Sahir, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. Joha, you can mute now. I'm not going to check anything from you. Adiba.
Ma'am,
Show me your books. Adiba, have you completed your pair notes?
yes, ma'am.
Show me. Yeah, now Mahesh also. You can also unmute Mahesh. Mahesh. Mahesh, are you there? Good afternoon, Mahesh. Very good team. Mahesh, hi. I can't hear you. Hi, Mahesh. Good afternoon, Mahesh. Any problem? Mahesh, I am talking to you. You are seeing somewhere. Cat వచ్చిందా? Click on the mic. You are unable to unmute. Why 3 members are sitting together? Are you playing or listening? Mahesh. Once again, you unmute Mahesh. I given a chance for you to unmute. Once again, you try. Have you tried Mahesh?
Teacher,
Now I can hear you.
open it.
Now I can hear you, Mahesh.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tana, show me your classwork and fair notes. What is that? Classwork or fair notes?
Classwork teacher. Classwork teacher. My
Okay,
classwork
that
teacher.
3 members are Mahesh only.
No teacher.
Are you all same class?
Yes, teacher.
Brothers?
No teacher.
Then why are you playing in the class?
Not playing teacher. I didn't have phone teacher. That's why I'm listening in his
Acha?
phone teacher. Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
okay. Now I am talking to Mahesh. Mahesh, who is Mahesh in the among 3 members?
His boy teacher.
Very nice dress, very cute boy. Come on. And what is rumination? What is rumination?
Teacher, what
Indra,
teacher?
rumination. What is rumination, Nana? Still now nobody answer this question. Why? Textbook is there with you. The other boy who is sitting side of you. Ask him to tell the answer.
Teacher, voice breaking teacher.
You don't know? Show me your statement. You don't know the answer?
Teacher was talking teacher.
My voice is not stucking. I am in Karimnagar. My voice is clear. I have full internet and full signal also is there. Come on, tell me what is rumination? Telida?
No teacher.
Very good. Now continue games. Nicely, you are taking the mobile phone and you are playing.
No teacher, we are not playing teacher.
Then you answer that question, boy. Mahesh, what is that boy name?
Teacher, Lokesh.
Lokesh, tell me the answer.
Teacher,
What is rumination, Ra?
gathering tell.
ఫుల్గా రెడీ అయ్యి వచ్చి కూర్చున్నారు హ్యాపీగా.
Teacher, this my test wallet.
So Mahesh, don't do like that. Don't sit those many members and don't time pass. Don't do time pass, okay?
Good teacher. Teacher, Balu. Teacher, I will complete teacher.
Okay, Tippareddy Narendra. Tippareddy Narendra, unmute, Amma.
Unmute.
Tippareddy Narendra, unmute yourself. I know you are there in the class. Please unmute yourself. Narendra, unmute yourself. Pratibha, unmute yourself. You, Pratibha. You, Pratibha, unmute yourself. Are you there, you, Pratibha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Come on, show me your notes, Nana. On your video, very good. Hi, Pratibha. Very cute. Show me your notebook. Okay. Okay, very good. Have you completed all lessons?
Yeah, ma'am.
All 4 lessons?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very, very, very good. Okay. Where is your classwork? No, what?
This is my classwork, ma'am.
Then pair notes?
Ma'am, I had writing 2 in one classwork only, ma'am.
It's okay, no problem. But front side you maintain one book and the back side you maintain for pair notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you know how to write the format of classwork. Already we all teachers explained, no? All teachers, all subject teachers explained 1 or 2 days.
Hello.
Do the format and complete. Pratibha, thank you very much. Okay. Pratibha, what is rumination, Amma? Click on your mic. I can't listen you. I can't hear you. Oh, very good. So, children, once again, I'll repeat this question and answer. Please, everybody listen. Yeah, many children don't know what is rumination. If anybody know, you can raise the hand. I can ask you. What is rumination, Nana? Animals like, there are some animals like cow, buffalo, camel, horse, etc. You know all these animals? You know cow, camel, buffalo. There is a question mark in the face. Akshit Kumar. You don't know these animals? Yeah, okay, listen. So, how they will eat, Nana? I already explained in this lesson how animals will take the food. First, how cow and buffalo will take the food? They will break the food into and they will swallow. అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి ఫస్ట్ ఫుడ్ కంటిన్యూస్ గా తింటూనే ఉంటాయి. Then when they rest, they bring this food back from the stomach to mouth. Ashrita, Priyanka, please attention. Don't see here and there and don't move. Sit quiet. When I explain, you are not listening, and when I am asking you, you are hiding somewhere. Vamshi is moving here and there. G Vamshi. G Vamshi, stop eating and sit properly. Okay. So animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. First they chew the food very quickly. They chew the food very quickly and they swallow and they store in the stomach. Am I clear to you? First they chew the food quickly, fast they will chew the food and they will swallow and they'll store in the stomach. And when they rest, they will bring this food back into their mouth. Again, they will chew it well and they will swallow. This process is called as rumination. This type of animals are called ruminated animals. And also we call it as cud chewing, CUDCHEDWING, cud chewing animals. So this question is very important. Vamshi is taking lunch in the class. G. Vamshi is taking lunch. He is nicely taking water. He is enjoying his lunch. Vamshi, is it your lunch time? G. Vamshi? Now I will ask him, wait. Now I have explained, no? Now you should answer this. Vamshi, unmute yourself. You are there in the class. I saw you. Vamshi, unmute. Vamshi, are you there? See, children, you are troubling me like anything. When I am asking, you are not unmuting. Vamshi. Hi, Vamshi. Hi, Vamshi. Completed lunch? Hello, Vamshi, can you hear me? Vamshi, vinapadutunda? There is no response on your face. There is no voice. Click on your mic. G. Vamshi, any problem? Okay. He is not able to respond to my question. Now, children, everybody understood what is rumination? Parnita? Parnita completed pair notes? All 3 lessons completed? Okay. So, children, next session, I am going to explain new lesson. So today I spend my time to checking notes only, but but other children, we are really troubling me like anything. Okay. Now, did you understand what is rumination? What are herbivores? What are carnivores? What are omnivores? These all very, very important questions. Compulsory, they will ask in the exam. Gayatri understood? Okay, I will ask Gayatri one. Why I am wasting my time, children? Because you have to know that Gayatri. Okay, I am unable to find you. Gayatri, correct spelling. Children, see, when I am asking you to Harshini Verma. Harshini Verma. Show me your pair notes. I can see you. You wear a light green color dress. See, now she is not there in the class. Harshini? Where are you, Harshini? So, children, please, why are you troubling me like this? When I call you, you are not responding to me. She is playing with iron box. Harshini is playing with iron box. When I ask her, she is not there in the class. Abhigna, show me your notes, Nana. Abhigna, Gayatri, both of you show me your notes. I can't unmute you because I have to go back and click on you. Abhigna. Now Abhigna, unmute yourself. Abhigna, okay.
టీచర్
Tell me. Show me your notebook.
టీచర్ నేను ఇవాళే జాయిన్ అయ్యా టీచర్.
Why you are not there in the before classes?
నో టీచర్.
This is the first class.
ఎస్ టీచర్.
Are you sure?
షూర్ టీచర్.
Can I inquiry by your principal, sir? I will ask your principal, sir, because I can't check all these many participants. But principal, sir, know it. You are a new student or already old student.
న్యూ స్టూడెంట్ టీచర్.
Which school from you?
అభ్యాస్.
Today is the first class.
ఎస్ టీచర్.
So you did not purchase any notebook or textbook.
నో టీచర్. బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయి టీచర్.
Textbooks are there with you.
ఎస్ టీచర్.
You know how to write classwork and pair notes.
ఎస్ టీచర్.
How to write classwork once explain. Just you explain the format how to write the classwork.
ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్.
No, first you have to take the fresh page and you have to draw the margin line, mention the lesson number, lesson name and keywords. Whatever the questions that are discussed that you have to write in the classwork and homework.
ఓకే టీచర్.
And pair notes you have to write all the question answers.
ఓకే టీచర్.
So in the next class I am going to explain new lesson.
ఓకే
Okay?
టీచర్. ఓకే. విచ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ టీచర్?
Nana, this is science subject.
ఓకే టీచర్.
This is science subject. So all the participants listen carefully. There are some new students joined. No problem. In the next class, I am going to begin lesson 5. By that time, you have to finish all lesson 4, classwork, pair notes, all the question answers which are discussed and also keywords. Don't say that I did not purchase books, ma'am. Somewhere I kept, ma'am. I forgot, ma'am. These all reasons I don't want. As an obedient child, you have to finish all these and keep ready your things with you. When I ask you, you are hiding somewhere, you are closing your videos and you are moving here and there. You are wasting lot of time.
Teacher.
Next, we are going to learn the new lesson, materials and things. Okay? So keep ready all the arrangements and get ready for the next class. Still you have any doubt?
నో టీచర్.
You are saying no teacher, but when I ask you question, you are unable to answer.
సజ్జీ అబ్దుల్లా జాతికి.
Children, any doubt you can ask me now. Just raise your hand, I can see your face so that I can unmute you. Joha, I will check your book next class. Somebody is talking. Who is that? Abhigna. Abhigna, mute yourself.
Okay, good afternoon, children. How are you all? Can you all able to hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Okay. Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss about playing with numbers. What is the name of the chapter? Playing with numbers. Chapter 3. Name of the chapter is playing with numbers. Okay. So the aim of the topic is solving exercise from 3.1 to 3.7 problems. And the agenda is divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, 9, 5 and 10, finding factors, prime and composite numbers, prime factorization, finding HCF, finding LCM, relation between HCF and LCM, divisibility rules for 4, 8 and 11. Okay. So from these topics, we have in previous class we have discussed how to find the how to do the prime factorization. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about prime factorization. Okay, so we have discussed two methods for prime factorization. One is division method and another is factor tree method. Okay. For finding prime factorization, we have learned division method and factor tree method. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about finding HCF. Finding HCF. Okay. So what is HCF? What is HCF? See, listen carefully, children. These topics are very, very important. So how to find HCF? Now let us see. First of all, we have to know what is HCF. What is HCF? So HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Okay. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. See here, the definition is given for HCF. Okay, see children here. Highest HCF means highest common factor. Okay. So the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest, or their common factors. If it is also called as greatest common divisor, GCD. Okay. HCF is also called GCD. So HCF means highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor, HCF. So, what is highest common factor? HCF means, let us see. Highest common factor. Observe here. Observe this table, children. The factors of 12 given and factors of 18 given. Now, in these factors, which is the highest common factor here? Comparing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and okay, if we observe them, see 6 is the highest common factor. Okay, 6 is the highest common factor. Okay, so it means the factor should be common in both numbers and that should be highest from the given factors. Okay. So if we observe the factors of 12 and 18, 6 is the highest common factor. Right? So whenever find the factors of the given two numbers are more than two numbers, so which from that which is highest common factor is called HCF. Okay. Now, how to find HCF? See here, method of finding HCF is given. Okay, method of finding HCF. First one is prime factorization method. First one is prime factorization method. Okay. So all of you listen carefully. This method is very important. So this method also have in the 10th class. Okay. So if you are perfect here, then there you will get very easy. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about method of finding HCF by prime factorization method. Okay. So here see one example is given, the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. 12, 30 and 36 is given. So let us see how to find the HCF here. All of you look at the board carefully and observe the finding HCF. Methods of finding HCF. Okay. So first method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So by this prime factorization method, let us see how to find the HCF. See, the question is given, find the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. 12, 30 and 36. Okay, 12, 30 and 36. See, observe carefully. So, we have to find the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. Okay, children. So, first of all, to find the HCF, take each and every number and find prime factorization. Okay, so do prime factorization. So take the least prime number 2. Here 12 is possible with 2 table. Okay. So 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. Okay. 2 3 are 6. Right. So already we have discussed when we are discussing about prime factorization. Okay. So first of all, we have to check with the least prime number. The least prime number is 2. So 12 is possible with the 2 table. So we factorize it here. 2 6 are 12. Again, this 6 also possible again with 2 table. 2 3 are 6. So how until we get a prime number at last, we should continue this process. Okay, children. So here 3 is the prime number we have got. Next, take the next number, that is 30. Is this 30 possible with the 2 table? Yes, sure. So with 2 table it is possible. 2 15s are 30. Okay. Again, is this 15 is possible with 2 table? No, not possible. So 2 after next what prime number? 3 is the prime number. With 3 table is possible. Okay. 3 5s are 15. Right. So here, again, see here we have got prime number at last 5. Okay. So until we get prime number, we should continue this process. Now take the next number 36. 36. Is 36 possible with 2 table? Yes, absolutely. Yes. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Here one more will be 2 8s are 16. It means 18 2s are 36. Again 2 table possible here. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Again here 2 table not possible. Then next you take 3 table. 3 3s are 9. See here at last we have got prime number. So we have to stop the factorization. It means until we get prime number, we have to continue this process. Right. So now write the factors of these 3 numbers. write the factors of these three numbers. First of all, take 12. So what are the factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. The factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now take the next number 30. Okay. So what are the factors of 30? 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. And take the next number 36 and write their factors. What are the factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors of 12, 30 and 36. So after first of all, we have to factorize like this. So after factorization, so we have to write all the factors of the given numbers. Okay, here we have written the factors of given numbers. Okay, so now we have to decide the HCF. Okay, HCF we have to decide. So to decide HCF means what? Highest common factor. No? Highest common factor. Okay, so now select the common factors. Select the common factors. Common factors is nothing but that factor should be in these three numbers. Okay, if we select 2 should be in 12, in 30 and also in 36. So like that, how much it is called a common factor. Okay, so here when we select the common factor, see 2 is there in 12 and also is there in 30 and also is there in 36. Okay, so 2 we call that 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor of 12, 30 and 36. You also round up them, right? Again, is there any common factor? That factor should be in three numbers. 2 is there in these three numbers. Okay, is there 3 in three numbers? Let us see here. See, 3 is there in 12, 3 is there in 30 and also 3 is there in 36 also. So 3 also common factor. Okay. Again, what is their common factors? Is there anything? Here 2 is there, but 2 here in this not there again. Okay. So 2 and 3 are the common factors, isn't it? So when we observe the common factors, 2 and 3 are the common factors. So write them. 2 into first factor is 2 and another common factor is 3. So how much we get 2 into 3? 6. It means 6 is the HCF of given three numbers. Did you understand, children? 6 is the HCF of given three numbers. Okay. So like this, if we find the common factor by this prime factorization, so it is called prime factorization method. So this is the way of finding HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, children, have you all understood? See what to do. So whenever given three numbers, first of all, we have to factorize them. 12, 30, 36 are given. So we have to factorize them like this. So after factorization, we have to write all the factors of the given three numbers. Okay, we have written all the factors of the given three numbers. So in that factors, what are the common factors? We have to select them. Okay, so common factors are nothing but that factor should be in this given three numbers. See, if we observe the factor 2 is present in 12 and also in 30 and also in 36. So 2 is called common factor of these three numbers. And also, if we observe the factor 3 is present in the number 12 and also in the number 30 and also 3 is present in the number 36. So we call that 3 is also a common factor. It means, so here in the given factors, 2 is a common factor and 3 also common factor. So when we multiply them, 2 into 3, we get 6. So it means 6 is the HCF of given 3 numbers. Okay, 6 is the HCF of given 3 numbers. So like this, it is called prime factorization method. If we find the HCF like the through by the prime factorization method, so it is called prime factorization method. Okay, children. Now the another method is continued division method. Continued division method. Okay, so let us see which that continued division method. Second one is continued division method. Continued division method. So this is the one more method to find the HCF. Okay, so which is easy for you that you can follow, children. Now see, I am taking again same example. Find the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. 12, 30 and 36. So I am taking same example, children. See, by prime factorization method, the HCF of 12, 30 and 36, how much we have got? 6 we have got. Okay. So now let us see continued division method. So continued division method, see. So first of all, take the first two numbers. Okay. Take the first two numbers 12 and 30. So first of all, find the HCF of 12 and 30. HCF of 12 and 30. So we have to do the division. Okay. So already we know that bigger number we will divide by smaller number. So we are dividing 30 by 12. Okay. So how many times it is possible? 12 2s are 24. Right? 12 2s are 24. So what is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. No, 30 minus 24 is equal to how much? 6. Okay. Again, here remainder we have got 6. So by this remainder, we have to divide the previous divisor. So by what number we divided previously? By 12. So with this remainder, we have to divide the 12. Okay. So when we divide 12, how many times it is possible? 6 2s are 12. It means until we get remainder 0, we have to continue this process. Have you all understood, children? Let us see once again. First of all, 30 we have to divide by 12. 12 2s are 24. Okay. So the remainder is 6. Again with this remainder 6, we have to multiply by 12. It means previously by what number we multiplied, with that number we have to multiply. Okay. Previously we divided by 12. So now that 12 we should take here and we have to divide that 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder we have got 0. Until we get remainder 0, we should continue this process. Okay, children. Now, HCF of 12 and 30, we have got 6. Why? Because by 6, when we divide by 6, then we have got remainder 0. No? So, here 6 is the HCF. 6 is the HCF. So, therefore, HCF of 12 and 30 is equal to 6. Why? Because with the 6 table, we have got remainder 0. So that's why HCF of 12 and 30 is 6. First we divided by 12, but with 12 we didn't get remainder 0. But when we divide by 6, we got remainder 0. So that's why 6 is the HCF. Now, the remaining number is there again. What is the remaining number here? 36. We found the HCF of 12 and 30. We have got 6. Again, so with this HCF 6, we have to divide this 36. Okay. So when we divide this 36 by 6, how many times it is possible? 6 6 are 36. Remainder 0. Here also with 6 table only, here also when we divide by 6 only, we have got remainder 0. Right. It means 6 is the HCF of 12, 30 and 36. Therefore, HCF of 12, 30 and 36 is equal to 6. Okay, children. So remember that by which number we have got remainder 0. So that number only HCF of given numbers. Okay. So this is called continued division method. Continued division method. So which method is easy for you? That method you can follow, children. But you should be perfect in both methods. Why? Because in examination, if they ask you prime factorization method, means you should do only in that method. Okay. So now all of you open exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. First bit, first question. So what is given? 18, 27, 36. 18, 27 and 36. So what is asking here? Find the HCF of the following. Once all of you observe the textbook, exercise 3.4. So all of you observe the textbook. See, children, this is exercise 3.4. Okay, see on the screen. So what is asking first bit? Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization and continued division method. Here both methods are asking, see. Okay, asking HCF by prime factorization method and continued division method. Right. So let us same. Now we have discussed, same as it is. First of all, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay. So in prime factorization method, just now we have discussed how to do the problems. Okay. So by this prime factorization method, first of all, we have to factorize all the given numbers. First of all, factorize 18. It is possible with 2 table, no? 2 9s are 18. Again, this 9 is not possible with 2 table. 3 table possible. 3 3s are 9. Okay, here we have got prime number 3. So stop the factorization. The next number is 27. This 27 is not possible with 2 table. Okay, then you go to 3 table. 3 9s are 27. Again, 3 3s are 9. See here, at last we have got prime number. So we have to stop the process. And the next number is 36. 36 is possible with 2 table. 18 2s are 36. Again, this 2 9s are 18. Again, this 2 table not possible. 3 table possible. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now write the factors of given numbers. First of all, the factors of 18 we are writing here. So 18 factors are, what are they? 2 into 3 into 3. And the factors of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. And the factors of 36, the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now decide the HCF. To decide the HCF, what we have to see? So we have to see the common factors. Okay. So if you see the common factors, see here first 2 is there. Is there 2 in 27? No, not there. So 2 is not common factor. Next 3 is there. Is there 3 in this 3 numbers? Yes. 3 is there in the given 3 numbers. So round up it. 3 is there here in this present. 3 is present in this also, 18, 27, and 3 is presented in this number 36 also. Okay. So 3 is the common factor. And again one more 3 also is there now. This 3 also presented in 18. This 3 also presented in 27. And this 3 also presented in 36. Again, one more 3 also common factor. It means how much total? 3 3s are 9. It means the HCF of given numbers is 9. Right? So this is the prime factorization method, children. So this is called the prime factorization method. Okay. Now let us see the division method. By prime factorization method, the HCF, how much we have got? 9 now. So let us see division method, whether we get 9 or not. Now, second method is continued division method. Continued division method. Continued division method means until we get remainder 0, we have to continue the division. Okay, children? So, first of all, take the first 2 numbers. What are the first 2 numbers? 18 and 27. Okay. So, now we are finding HCF of 18 and 27. Okay. So, divide 27 by 18. Every time we have to divide bigger number by smaller number. So when we divide 27 by 18, how many times it is possible? Only one time. 18 ones are 18. Subtract it. 9. Okay. The remainder is 9. So again, with this 9, we have to divide the previously by what number we divided. So that number we have to divide. 18 is there. Divide 18. 9 to the 18. So here at last we have got remainder 0 now. It means the HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. Why? Because of this number 9 we have got remainder 0. So HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. Therefore the HCF of 18 and 27 is how much? 9. Okay. So, but we have another number now. Again, what is there? Another number 36 also is there. So now we have to find the HCF of 9 and 36. Now HCF of 9 and 36. Okay. So what we have got HCF, with that HCF, again we have to find the HCF. So when we divide 36 by 9, 9 4s are 36. The remainder is 0 here. So here also we have got remainder 0 by number 9. So finally, so what can we decide? Therefore, the HCF of 9. Therefore, the HCF of 9 is, sorry, the HCF of given 3 numbers. The HCF of 18, 27 and 36 is, how much we have got? 9. See children, many members are HCF means this number they are taking, not this number. This is quotient. So should not take this number. By what number we got remainder 0, that number we have to decide. Okay. So this is the continued division method, children. So which is easy for you? Prime factorization method or continued division method? Both are easy only, no? Okay. So which is suitable for you, that you can follow, but you should be perfect in both methods. Now, shall we do one more problem? Okay, children, in the same way, you complete the remaining 3 problems. 3 more problems are there here in this. So you same as it is by prime factorization method and by division method. You should find the HCF. So when you find in both methods, you get same answer. You should get same answer. So here see, by division method, HCF we have got 9. And okay, here 3 more problems are there, children. There are 3 more problems you complete at home. So the next question, see the next question. The next question, see here. Find the largest number which is a factor of each of the numbers 504, 792 and 1080. Okay. So here asking find the largest number. So find the largest number means highest common factor, HCF only. Okay. So how I explained now, how finding HCF, like that you have to find. Okay. Same as it is. And here method name is not mentioned, children. So which is easy for you, that method you can follow, either prime factorization method or division method. Okay. So see the next question. The length and breadth and height of your room are 12, 15 and 18 respectively. Determine the length of longest stick that can measure all the dimensions of the room in exact number of times. So here see, so the room dimensions are given. 12 meters height, 15 meters, 12 meters length, 15 meters breadth and 18 meters height. Okay, these are the room measurements. So what is asking here? Determine the length of the longest stick. So longest stick means again HCF only should find. HCF of 12, 15 and 18. Okay. So here also you should find the HCF of these 3 numbers. Okay, so that HCF only the answer of the given question. And once observe the fifth question, what is the capacity of the largest vessel which can empty the oil from 3 vessels containing 32 liters, 24 liters and 48 liters, and exact number of times. It means here also you should find the HCF. So you have to find the HCF of 32, 24 and 48. Okay. So there HCF only the answer. Okay, the HCF of these 3 numbers you have to find out. And coming to this problem, fourth question. See, the question is given HCF of co-primes 4 and 15 was found as follows by prime factorization. 4 is equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? Okay. So surely we can understand it is no. Why? Because see, for every number 1 as the common factor. Okay, for every number 1 as the common factor. So we get HCF 1, but here he mentioned that 0 here. Okay, so the given concept is wrong in that. Okay, children? Right. So this is the procedure how to find the HCF by prime factorization method and division method, children. So in the same way, we will discuss the rest of the topic in the next class. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you all.